I've lost 229 pounds. And tonight I made me a low carb, high protein version of the Olive Garden chicken pasta. You know the one. Yeah, I know you're gonna ask me how to make this, so don't worry. I'm gonna show you. I've got 1.5 pounds of thawed out chicken breast here, and I'm gonna put that in the crock pot. Don't worry, we're not cooking the paper. Olive Garden Italian dressing. You can use the regular one. I just grabbed the light because it's lower in calories. Yeah, and make sure the lid's fastened on before you shake it. I'm not telling you that I shake it without the lid fastened, but you know, maybe. An entire block of cream cheese. I use a 1/3 less fat one from Philadelphia. All right, I'm gonna put in a little pepper, ranch seasoning because, well, ranch goes on everything, obviously. Just a little though. Parmesan. Y'all call the fake stuff, but I don't care. That cheese flavored sawdust, someone called it, and I will forever call it that because hilarious. And just put some in, however much you want. Cheese her up, okay? Real cheesy. You can cook this on high for 4 hours, low for 6 hours. Mine doesn't have a low for 6 hours option. So I'm gonna cook it on low for 8 hours. Plus I'm gonna be gone at work. It'll be fine. I wish y'all could smell my house right now. I walked that door and I was like, oh baby, smells so good. So I'm going to shred the chicken now. I'm just gonna use these bad boys, but you could use, what is that, electric mixer or what the heck ever to shred it up. Oh my gosh, I might have to taste test for poison. Okay, poison taste test. I decided to. Oh, we got to get them noodles. So for the pasta, I chose this ziti pasta. It's from Kaizen. It's low carb. It's high protein and gluten-free. It's got 130 calories for a serving, 20 grams of protein, and only 6 grams net carbs. I'm super excited about this. Pasta's ready. I'm going to give it a mixy mix. Oh my gosh, this smells incredible. Okay, let's serve this baby up. You can add a little more Parmesan or cheese flavored sawdust to the top if you want. I'll probably just add it in my bowl though. Gorgina, little parm. Time to give this a try. I have such high hopes for this. I literally hope it meets my expectations and I didn't set them too high. You know how that is. It's depressing. Expectations blown out of the water. Y'all better go make this.